Namaste, my friends. This lesson of the meditation training program will teach a very, very beautiful meditation. It is simple, but it is extremely effective in helping you realize that all is one and that all is you. It helps dissolve this illusion between the inside and the outside, between this and that, me and you. It helps you recognize that everything that is taking place is all taking place in you, and that there is nothing outside of that. So what is this wonderful meditation? It is sound awareness meditation. So you're going to, from the name, bring your attention to the sounds that are taking place in your ambient environment, and you're going to do so in the following manner for this meditation to assist you realize Tattvam Asi, thou art that. The observer is the observed. So first thing you do, come into a nice tall posture, sit up nice and straight, elongate your spine, bring your chin back slightly. And for this meditation, you can use Gyan Mudra if you like, or Cosmic Mudra, but you can also do this with simply utilizing Drone Mudra, which is what I find most comfortable. And then you're going to close your eyes and you're going to bring your awareness to sounds taking place far in the distance. So whether these sounds are constant, like a hum, or the sound of a passing truck or a car that rises and then dissolves, or the sound of a bird or a dog, what have you. You're going to pay attention to sounds far in the distance. You're going to spend a few minutes attending to those sounds, and then slowly let your awareness find the sounds that are taking place closer and closer to you, until you're listening to sounds in close proximity to where you are practicing your meditation, and then finally bringing your awareness to the sound of your breath or the sound of your heartbeat. So sounds within you. That's all there is to the technique, starting from sounds in the distance, bringing your awareness closer and closer to the sounds that are absolutely within, and just let all divisions that you have about outside and inside start to fall, break away, and dissolve. So, nice and tall, close your eyes, relax your abdomen, relax your shoulders, and let your awareness stretch to the distance. And bring all your awareness to your listening modality, to that capacity. Just pure listening, pure awareness. Let your thoughts that come up simply dissolve, simply let them go. Don't get caught in the storyline. Just remain fully cognizant, fully aware of the sounds that are taking place. Again, from a distance, closer, and then to those within. Practice meditation for about 20 minutes. Especially practice this meditation when it's raining. It will create a wonderful experience for you during that time. Thank you, everybody. God bless you all.